Okay, let's proceed to next problem. Water is flowing in an open channel at a depth of 2 meters and velocity of 3 meter per second. It flows down a chute into another where the depth is 1 meter and the velocity is 10 meter per second. Neglecting friction, determine the difference in elevation of the channel. So, kung ating i-visualize yun, ganito yung itsura. So, ito yung ating depth na 2 meters. Okay? Dito naman yung depth natin is 1 meter. So, from point 1, this is our point 1 and this is our point 2. Okay? Energy 1 ay equals energy 2. Flowing from this point to this point ay equal lang. We have velocity head 1 plus pressure head 1 plus elevation head 1 equals the velocity head 2 plus pressure head 2 plus elevation head 2. Remember, wala tayong head loss dito kasi this is E1 equals E2. Okay? Nineglect natin ang ating friction. So, this is our velocity 1, 3 meter per second, and ito ang ating velocity 2 na 10 meter per second. So, let's set a datum line. So, yung datum line dito, class, is hindi itong nakaslant. So, when you say datum, this is a horizontal straight line wherein yung ating starting line ay 0, 0. Okay? Kunin natin yung ating, this is our elevation head 1 and this is our elevation head 2. Okay, we get our velocity 3 squared divided by 2 times 9.81 plus ano yung pressure head natin dito. Remember that our pressure, ang formula natin sa pressure is gamma H. So balikan natin yung fluid mechanics natin, that is gamma H, gamma times 2, that is our H1 times the gamma plus elevation head na Z1 equals 10 squared divided by 2 times 9.81 plus our pressure head na gamma times 1 over the gamma plus Z2. So, yung gamma natin dyan will be cancelled. Okay, since that is a water. Okay. Sige, pakikuha yung difference ng elevation natin. So, Z1 minus Z2. Okay, our answer here is Z1 minus Z2, that is 3.638. That is our difference in the elevation of the channel. Sorry, nawalan ata ako ng boses. So, balik tayo. Okay, sige. Ulit. Water enters a motor through a 600 millimeter diameter pipe under a pressure of 14 kilopascal. It leaves through a 900 millimeter diameter exhaust pipe with a pressure of 4 kilopascal. A vertical distance of 2.5 meters separates the centers of the two pipes. Compute the power supplied to the motor. So, given yung ating flow rate na 500 liter per second, okay? This is a turbine. So, since nasa taas siya, that is turbine, pinapahina niya ating head. So, for the solution, bigay natin yung mga given sa atin. This is 0.1, this is 0.2. Our pressure 1, that is 14 kilopascal. Then pressure 2, that is 4 kilopascal. Since that is a turbine, our energy equation here is E1 minus head extracted equals E2. Okay? So, bigay natin yung diameter. Yung diameter ng ating unang pipe ay 0.6 meters. Then our exhaust pipe will be 0.9 meter. So, kumpitin natin yung hanapin natin yung velocity given yung ating Q. So, yung Q natin dyan, gawin natin siyang cubic meter. So, laging tatandaan na for every 1 cubic meter, we have 1,000 liters. So, we can say that Q is equal to 0.5 cubic meter per second. Equal yan sa area natin, area 1, pi over 4 times 0.6 squared times our velocity, that is velocity 1. Okay, kindly get our velocity 1. I'll give you 15 seconds. Three, two, one. Okay, our velocity 1 here is 1.7684 meter per second. How about yung pangalawa naman? So, masasabi natin yung flow rate ay same pa rin since sabi nga, energy equation or continuity equation, yung energy dun sa una ay equal sa energy or flow rate dun sa pangalawa. So, that is 0.5 cubic meter per second equal sa pi over 4 times 9. So, that is 0.9 squared plus 0.9 squared times V2. Okay, again, that is 0.9 squared. Kindly get our V2. I'll give you 15 seconds. Okay, time's up. So, our V2 here is 0.7859 meter per second. So, para saan ba itong V1 and V2 natin? Para yan sa ating velocity head 1 plus pressure head 1 plus elevation head 1 minus head extracted equals velocity head 2 plus pressure head 2 plus our elevation head 2. Okay? Velocity head 1 natin, that is 1.7684 squared divided by 2 times 9.81 plus 14 divided by 9.81, okay, plus our plus Z1. So, yung Z1 natin, ang kukunin nating datum ay yung etong lapag or dun sa may 0.2, horizontal to 0.2. That is 2.5 minus head extracted equals velocity head natin, 0.7859 squared divided by 2 times 9.81. And then yung pressure natin sa 0.2, that is 4 divided by 9.81 plus our elevation since nasa datum siya. Therefore, that is 0 plus 0. Kindly get our head extracted. HE, go. 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head extracted is equal to 3.647 meters. Hindi yan yung hinahanap sa atin, pero prerequisite yan para mahanap natin yung pinapahanap sa atin. That is the power supplied. We all know that. So, yung kanina. So, hopefully, na-screenshot nyo siya or na-take note. Wherein yung power natin ay equal sa Q times D, unit weight, times D, energy. That is P is equal to Q gamma E. Our Q here is 0.5, and then our gamma, since that is water, 9810, that is in Newton. Pero kung gagamitin nyo yung 9.81, ang lalabas dito sa sagot natin is in kilowatts. Pero, so, gawin natin siyang watts na lang. Basic unit muna. 9810 Newton. Okay? For extracted or energy extracted, we have 3.647 meters. We'll get 17,889.870 watts, or that is 17 point 890 kilowatts. So our next problem is all about venturimeter. A 150 millimeter diameter Venturi horizontal meter is installed in a 450 millimeter diameter water main. So the deflection of the mercury in the differential manometer connected from the inlet to the throat is 375 millimeter, as shown in the figure. Letter A, determine the discharge neglecting head loss. Letter B, if the head loss is equal to 300 millimeter in water, find the discharge. So for our solution, we have for A, okay, continue the equation, yung flow rate nung 0.1 to 2, that is equal A1V1 equals A2V2. We are neglecting its head loss, that is pi over 4 times 0.45 squared, the diameter of our first pipe, times the velocity 1 equals pi over 4 times 0.15 squared times the velocity 2. Okay? We can cancel pi over 4. We can cancel pi over 4 here. So, cancel. Ang matitira sa atin is V1 equals V2 over 9. So, sinolve natin yung V1 in terms of V2. Next, for the pressure difference, so sana natandaan nyo pa yung pagkuha ng ating pressure difference, yung lumalangoy tayo sa mga fluid. Imagining na lumalangoy tayo. So, unahin natin yung papunta dun sa ating 2. So, P2 So, ito yung start natin, yung 1. Okay, ito yung ating end. So, we have P1. Lalangoy tayo pailalim. So, pailalim, papunta dun sa 2. Hindi tayo pwede shortcut dito. Daanan natin tong fluid na to. Okay? P1 plus. So, since that is a water, that is 9.81 times yung height ng water na y. Okay? Then, pababa ulit plus 9.81 times yung height ng ating water pa rin. That is 0.375. Okay? Pagdating dito sa part na to, since pantay sila, ano sabi natin? Same fluid, pwede na natin i-cancel yung part na yan. Since same fluid yan, that is a mercury, so aakyat na siya, shortcut na kumanan. So pagkanan niya, aakyat na siya. Okay, pag-akyat, that is 9.81 times yung ating specific gravity ng Mercury, 13.6 times its height na 0.375. Then, minus 9.81 y. So, yung natitira mula dito, papunta dito sa point 2, that is pataas, minus 9.81 y. Then, pakisolve yung ating pressure 1 minus pressure 2. So, I'll give you 2 minutes para i-solve yun. Pressure 1 minus pressure 2. Okay, time's up. So, our answer, pressure 1 minus pressure 2, that is 46.352 kilopascal. So, para saan ba yung pressure 1 and then minus pressure 2 na yan, and then nakuha natin velocity 1. So, from 1 to 2, by Bernoulli's equation, we have, so, energy 1 equals energy 2. We have velocity head nung una, plus pressure head nung una, plus elevation head nung una, equals sa velocity head nung pangalawa, plus pressure head nung pangalawa, plus elevation head. Okay? So, Z1 and Z2 is cancel. So, assume natin na nasa datum sila pareho. Okay? So, V1 natin, since pantay sila, so maka-cancel ang ating elevation heads. So, V2 squared divided by 2g minus v1 squared divided by 2g. Ito yan, nilipat. Equals p1. Ay, nilipat natin yung p1 naman. So, yung v1, nilipat natin papunta dito. And then, itong p2, nilipat natin papunta dito sa may kaliwa. Tapos ayusin lang natin, makikita natin na si V2 squared over 2G minus V1 squared over 2G ay equals sa P1 over the gamma minus P2 over the gamma. So, solving and simplifying, pag-isahin lang natin sila. So, yung natutunan natin nung tayo mga elementary na pag same yung denominator, pwede natin silang pag-isahin na lang and then yung numerator as is lang natin. We have yung V2 squared minus yung V1 natin, galing siya dito. Itong V1 natin na to, that is V2 over 9 squared over 2 times 9.81 equals, okay? Isa natin nakikita itong P1 minus P2, diba eto yun, P1 minus P2, that is 46.352 kilopascal divided by our unit weight, since that is a water, that is 9.81. Okay, solving for V2 here. Okay, solving for V2, we can get, sige, I'll give you 1 minute para i-solve. Okay, our answer here is V2 equals 9.688 meter per second. Okay, kung that is 9.688 meter per second, we can say, or we can get the discharge, that discharge is equal to Q equals AV. Q equals pi over 4 times 0.15 squared times 9.688 equal yan sa 0.171 cubic meter per second.